कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
स्मार्ट सिटीतल्या रस्त्यांची कामां 90% पुराय जाल्यात। ताड माड घुमटी ते टॉक जंक्शना मेरेनचो रस्तो करपाचो उरला। तोय रस्तो जाता तितले बेगीन पुराय करतले। सिवरेजीचेच काम उरला। हे काम पुराय जाले काय रस्त्याचे काम हातान घेतले। स्मार्ट सिटीचो मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी संजीत रॉड्रिगीज सांगता। तशेंच रायबंदर फेरी धक्क्याचे काम पुराय जाला। बेगीनूच हो धक्को न्हय येरादारी खात्याचे सुवाधीन करतले अशेंय ताचे म्हणणे।
I would like to bring forth the status of work under the Smart City Mission, which is being undertaken by IPCTL, and vis-a-vis the affidavit filed and the 31st March date, which we have crossed. Switch was concerned, we had detailed affidavit was filed, which manhole would be completed and where and how it would be completed. We have completed all this well in time. I would also like to clarify that these roads have a 5-year warranty period. We are not going to run away. As long as a good road is done and it is maintained, the road for quality, we will be there and we will assure this rectification which is done. So a lot of photographs are used which are not, they are archival. This situation does not exist. So I do not want to go to the court to take note, because court has also taken note of many things. Let me reiterate that no closure, barricading, open trenching is going on in central country except for the Taad Maad junction as on 1/4/25, and if any such activity is seen, it is not of the Smart City Mission. I am very categorical and I make this statement with full responsibility. If there is any other thing, I can walk with the member of the press right away and I will check. If it is there, I will apologize and rectify the situation. If not, I would expect the truth to go to the public. So the ramp is complete. So the utility, we will hand over the ramp to the river navigation department. I don't operate the ferry services. The ramp has been done with the inclination which the Ro-Ro ferry service will need. That was the difficulty. As far as deadline is concerned, we could work only on neap tides. 15th was one neap tide, and the next neap tide for 15 days we could not work anymore. Ramp on the dry portion was complete. A ramp which is under sea level, below the water level, was completed just yesterday because the tide was the lowest, day before yesterday and yesterday. So we have completed that. We will clear that ramp and give it to the river navigation department. I think they will have to run trials of the Ro-Ro ferry. They will have to bring the Ro-Ro ferry, run trials on the ramp. I think the ramp usage is now for Ro-Ro ferries. The normal ferries could touch, but I think they are waiting for the Ro-Ro ferries to come, because if there is any rectification as per the Ro-Ro ferry gradient, then we will have to do it. We are
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.